If you don't keep your electronic devices, screens and monitors clean, raise your hand if guilty. Welcome everyone! In today's video I want to share with you a very funny story that happened to me yesterday in my work, and I've learned a very important lesson. I was working on my desk with this very laptop and I was editing an image with Adobe Photoshop. I was tweaking the colors, making the subject perfect, the skin smoother, and I wanted everything to be nice and neat. And at a certain point I have noticed like a little brown point on the background, and it didn't fit the image very well. So I thought, maybe it is a bird, it is another dust or dirt on the image itself. So I started trying to remove it with the Photoshop tools, with the lasso tool, with the rubber, with other tools in Photoshop. And it was been a few minutes that I tried this and tried that, and nothing works, and they're still there. That little brown dot is still there. And at a certain point I said to myself, dang, I forgot how to use Photoshop because I'm not able to clear this out. And suddenly, I don't know why, I licked my fingers and then I rubbed the laptop screen, and then the dot finally went away. And I realized that that dot wasn't on the image but on my computer screen. So and my coworker saw me why I was doing that. It's disgusting, what are you doing? And then this is the lesson learned. Especially if you are a designer or if you work in design, keep your screens and monitor clean and don't use your hands. So this is when I met screen clarity. That in my opinion is a lifesaver, and it is a must-have product for anyone who works with technology, laptops, smartphones, computers, monitors. With one wipe it can save a lot of trouble. So lesson learned, but we also need to act in order to improve and avoid other issues in the future. So we all have a tight schedule, very tight deadlines, a huge list of tasks that we have to deliver every day, task, and we forget how to take care of our electronic devices. At a certain point we need to stop, think and check the status of our screens in this case, and realize that this is not going to work anymore. We need to take care of this mess. And as you can see, yesterday I realized the status of my laptop screen, and as you can see from this this close-up, the screen is really dirty. It has a lot of dust, smudges, fingerprints. It is a real mess, and if you want to work with images, you need to see the colors, to see the stains, to see little details of images or whatever you want your screen to project. And this is why I recommend using Screen Cleaner. So this is a very powerful product with 70% of isopropyl alcohol. So besides cleaning, it also kills viruses and bacteria. And with the microfiber cloth included, you can really do a neat job in wiping off all the fingerprints, oil and dust that you may have on the monitor or the screen. Screen clarity comes in different sizes according to your preferences. This is an 8-ounce value format, but we also have the 2-ounce travel size format if you need to clean your screens on the go. And it also comes with a nice 100% microfiber cloth, which is lint-free, streak-free, and will not leave any smudges on the screen. And now I want to demonstrate to you the amazing result that you can attain with screen clarity by using the microfiber cloth and this powerful solution. It is very safe for any screens or monitors, so you don't have to be afraid to ruin any electronic devices. This is not the case. So let's see how it works and what its effect is. Well, first thing, you just take the microfiber cloth out of the plastic envelope, and as you can see, it is very nice. So once you have your cloth, you can spray the solution on the screen. So let's see the result on half of the screen, and then we can compare. So you spray the solution, and then you use the microfiber cloth to wipe it off. You use a circular motion and put a light pressure with your fingers. Nice. Now let's take a closer look and see the difference between the part that I just wiped off and the dirty one. Look at that amazing result. You can clearly see the difference. You see the line in between the dirty part of the screen and the clean part of the screen. And look the light, look the amazing light, how the screen reflects it, and the mirror effect that the clean side of the screen has. That is amazing. So let's finish what we have started. So let's clean this thing all up. So let's spray it. You even need less product. You grab your microfiber cloth and you keep wiping this screen and everything, all the nasty thing off of it. Voila! Look how beautiful. Oh, this is a screen that you can work with. This is a screen that you can look at, and eventually, if you are a woman, you can also, look at yourself and put your makeup on. This is really amazing. So Screen Clarity, a very good product. I really recommend it, and test it out. You may be surprised, and let me know by leaving a review on this product what you think about it. And maybe if you like it, you can help also other buyers to make the right purchase choice and have spotless screens and monitors with Screen Clarity. Thank you for watching. Clean your screens and monitors, because a clean monitor is also a cool monitor, and everyone wants to be cool.